Alright guys, so we have just come out the back of the house and we're going on a little mission. This is our first time to the waterfall from the back of the house. You can probably hear the little bit of a creek that's still running down. I've just had to wade through that a little bit deep, but the water's been flowing now for a few days, so it's a good opportunity to go and check out Kai Bay Waterfall, which has been at the back of my house dry for about 6 months. So oh, it's beautiful now, everything's wet and coming to life. So we're going to walk, like I say, from the back of the house. It's very humid due to the rain. Let's see how long it takes us. I've never been, not from here. I have been to the waterfall, it's beautiful. So without further ado, let's check it out. Got Pooch with us, Big T. I don't know how far he will come with us because there's a few dogs this way. So, right, ciao for now. Alright, we've ended up with monkeys around us. I'm sweaty as hell, so you'll have to excuse me on that, but I was just filming the dog coming through here. He heard the monkeys and he went straight for the base of that tree. Sorry, I think my lens is fogging up. It does look like it, and wow, it's going to be a dengue week this week if I'm not very careful. So, right, I've got to keep moving and see if the dog will keep up with me and not disturb these monkeys. I can't see them very well. I can hear them, and I definitely can't see them on the GoPro. So look at what I'm trekking through. Trekking. It's hot, it's humid, really humid. Wow, first time I've been out like this for a while, so let's carry on. Alright guys, so apologies, I might be super sweaty here, but check this out. I knew someone had been up here recently. They've put lines up. This never used to be here, I don't think, because the path was completely blocked off for a while. I mean, I've just had to move a big tree out the way to get here, but and I've got my spider twig because there's loads of big spiders on this path. It's not exactly a big cliff edge down here, so I think this is just extra security. They're obviously wanting people to come to this side of the path, not the other side, for some reason. I have no idea why that is, but there's Pooch. He's loving it. Look at this. He'll just go straight up the mountainside. Anywhere, not bothered. Absolutely loves the jungle, this boy. I don't know why he's coming with me though. Well, I do, because he loves the jungle and he loves walks with me, but I'm just hoping that there's no one here for him to cause any problems with. More spiders webs, wow. Because he can be a little bit aggressive, so. Right, wow, look at this now. I'm not surprised this path got closed. I'm adventurous, but it's a little sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. In fact, it's proper sketch. That is now quite a cliff down to the water. And there's no rope, so yeah, right. I'm going to concentrate on where I am because I'm a little bit dehydrated at the moment. I think I should probably drink some water before I forget about swatting the spiders out the way. Wow, look at that for elephants here. So unfortunately, I think we've got a little bit of a foggy lens. That's how humid it is, and I'm sweating like a pig. Pooch couldn't resist. He's just bailed to the first pond, but we're here. I can hear it, and boy is it flowing. Oh my gosh. Like I say, I've been here before but I've never seen it like this. Check this out. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see me or hear me, but look at that. That is beautiful. And seeing as little man or big man's gone for a swim, it'd be rude not to join in, would it? Come on. Alright guys, so me and Pooch had to head out of there pretty quick. The mosquitoes were horrendous, so as beautiful as it was, because the rain's only just come, all the mosquitoes have come out. So believe it or not, even though it looks really, really bright here, it's starting to get a bit dark under the forest. So we're gonna get out of here, and it's super slippy everywhere. Wow, that was super slippy. So yeah, we need to get out of here before it goes dark in the forest, and I need to get myself a stick as well. So come on Pooch, get me home. Oh, oi. Go on, let's go. I mean, I do question his moves sometimes, but he does keep looking back and checking on me. Either he's checking on me, or he's making sure we're going the right way. But we're back at elephant ear plant now, so look at this. It's beautiful. So big and luscious. Well, he can play all he wants, but I need to get out of here. He can run through here. I can't. Right. Oh, they're pretty big leaves, aren't they? They are pretty big leaves. Welcome to the rainforest, Chang. Woo! So we are basically out of the jungle now. This is the last little bit, and then we are back to pretty simple path, to be honest with you. But I've just heard hornbills, so if we're very, very lucky, we might see some hornbills on the way back, but they are very elusive. I still am struggling to get them on camera, and I've been here 9 months. But I've not really got a very good camera, GoPro or the phone, so I'm going to be a little bit more quiet around here. Look for the fallen berries on the floor and listen. I heard one then. You probably can't hear because of the water, and you probably can't see. But can you see that spider's web? If you can, it's massive. That goes all the way up there, all the way down there. I mean, that thing is huge. Can you see that? That is a nasty looking spider. He's moving, he's moving. He's got babies. I'm leaving him alone. Yep, that's what I'm talking about in the jungle. That thing is huge. I mean, if he used to jump on me, he doesn't know how fast I'd run, so I'm not that scared of spiders, but you'd be stupid not to be scared of a spider that big in the jungle. Come on. Right. There's a tree just there that's fallen over. That's the entrance slash exit of this walk. So I can actually go to my house that way. But I think T, our pooch, might be down here. Let's go and find out. Alright guys, so the rubber plantation marks the end of the road for us today. I have the river to cross, or a little creek, and then home is just there. I don't know if you can see the yellow. You can probably see all the mosquitoes though, check that out. Yeah, getting eaten alive, so that's it. Pooch has ran back home already. Wow, mosquitoes are horrendous here. Where's my way out? So yeah, Pooch has already managed to get home, and wow, let me get home. Got dry mouth now, and yeah, got to cross here. Check this out, beautiful little creek at the back of the house. Whew, hold on, slippy down there. There you go, there's the creek, there's the house. 300 million mosquitoes, apologies for that, but I'm not catching dengue for a YouTube video. Right, look, we have to wade straight through here, about knee deep. Oh, that's a bit more than knee deep, that one. That was nearly a foam done, that. Right. This is home. Let's go. Ciao, ciao, guys. And there you go. Back to the durian farm, the road, playing in the back garden. Ciao for now.